welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I just said it like that. Okay, so my face has been feeling pretty dry, and so I just started off with my MAC Fix Plus just to add some hydration and moisture to my skin. And then I saw that I had a gray hair sticking out, so I decided to pull it out, and it hurt. Then I decided to make a wish, and who knows, maybe it'll come true, but probably not. So I'm going to be moisturizing my face with the Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Cream. This cream is amazing. I love it. Been using it pretty much every single day. So to conceal my lids, I'm going in with my soft ochre, and I do not set this with powder. I just apply it and let it be. And once again, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette today, and I will be using the shade Pukey for my transition shade. This palette is amazing. I've been pretty much using it every single day. The colors just blend really nicely, and I don't know, I'm just super in love with this palette. I definitely recommend it if you are looking for a palette to purchase. The colors just blend super nicely, and you can honestly create so many looks using this palette. Then I'm going in with the shade Mocha, which is this nice dark brown shade, reddish brown, and I'm popping it on the outer corners of my eyes, and then whatever's left over I'm bringing into my crease, and I'm just blending all that out and making sure that I blend so that it all just looks seamless and there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with the shade Central Park and Abyss. I'm just mixing both of them together. Central Park is just a really dark chocolatey brown, and then I mixed it in with the black, and I'm just focusing that on the outer V of my eyes, and I'm just building up the intensity. I start off with a little bit, and I just keep building up that shade until I'm happy with how intense it is, and then I move on to my lids. So on a flat brush, I'm taking the shade Queen, which is this shimmery gold shade. It's so beautiful. It's probably one of my favorites shadows from this palette. I did not spray my brush, and look how shimmery and pigmented this shadow is. It's so beautiful. The camera's not even picking up how shimmery it is, but it's just so beautiful. I love it. So I am applying that to half of my lid, and then I'm going to go back in with that dark chocolate brown and the black and just blend out the edges just so it all looks like it seamlessly, you know, melts into the other shade. You know what I mean? Just so it doesn't look like there's a line of separation. So yeah, that's why I do that. For my brow bone highlight, I'm taking Beam and In Light, and I'm just applying that on my brow bone for a pop of highlight. Then I'm just doing a wing, and I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is one of my favorite liners, and I just find it so easy to create my wings now. Plus the tape does help, so yeah. I'm just going to coat my lashes with the Lash Paradise mascara. I really like this one. It's super black and I just love how dark it is. So for a nice glowy look, I decided to add the Burberry illuminating fluid base before adding my foundation, and this is just going to give you a nice glow pretty much. So I'm just adding that all over my face before adding my foundation. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation and the Superstay foundation by Maybelline, and I just like mixing them both together and then just dabbing it all over my face and blending it out with a beauty sponge. I feel like this is the perfect foundation combo. I just love the way it looks on my skin, and yeah, it's my favorite foundation combo. Highlight and conceal, I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers ever. It's full coverage, and that's why I'm always using it pretty much in every single video, because it's really good. So I tend to use products that I know work for me and I know I like. So some of these products are a little bit repetitive, but when you like something, you like something. So for powder, I'm going to take Seal the Deal. It's a translucent powder by the company called Lawless, and I recently just got this brush. It's from the Sephora collection. I'll leave it down below. You guys, this brush is super soft and I love applying my powder with it. You guys will see how this powder just blurs my imperfections. It just softens my skin. I'm in love with this powder. Definitely recommend it. It is pricey, but just look at how it leaves my skin. Just absolutely smooth and flawless. I can't take it. So then I just went and took all the shadows that I applied at the beginning and I just added it to my lower lash line, and I'm just buffing all that in, smoking it out with a small pencil brush. And then I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes, and that will complete my eye look. And then next is contouring and highlighting. So for my contour shades, I'm taking my Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and I'm taking the shade Terracotta and Desert, and I'm taking that on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to contour my face. And as you will see, my face will start to come to life. You will see my features once again, because I was looking kind of blah. But as you can see, contouring does amazing things for you. I can't believe back in the day I never used to contour. And then I'm just going to go in and highlight, and I'm going to take my Burberry highlighter. Oh no, I'm going to add blush. Okay, I'm going to take my Sephora Flush Blush palette, Winter Flush Blush palette. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going to add some color to my cheeks. And now I'm going in with my Burberry highlighter. This is amazing. I always talk about this highlighter. Before I add it though, I like to spritz my face a little bit, and before it dries, I then go in with the highlighter. And this highlighter is so beautiful. It just melts into your skin. It's super duper pricey. I know why. I understand why it is. But it's beautiful. It does not emphasize your texture. It just melts into your skin and it lasts all day long. Last but not least is the lipstick. So I'm using Wet n Wild's liquid lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce. I also line my lips with this reddish pinky lip liner from Wet n Wild. I don't have a red lip liner just because I don't wear red lipsticks too often. But this shade of red is so beautiful. I feel like it goes really nice with this look. It just pulled it all together. And this shade of red also does not make your teeth look yellow. You know how some red lipsticks can make your teeth look yellow? This does not do that. It actually makes them look super white. So if you are looking for a red lipstick to wear for Christmas, I definitely recommend this one. This completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.